How's it going? I'm at the Zhao food game for another Firecracker Friday. I'm gonna see if this machine has some extra money to give. So let's get right into it. All right, so I have 250 loaded into the machine. We're at the 5-cent denom. We're gonna do some 480 spins. And the progressives are 100 for mini, 200 for minor, 923 for the major, and 10,100 for the grand. Be nice to get a word. Don't tell me this is a quiet machine. I have the volume all the way up. Come on. So I can barely hear it. Not sure if you guys can, but volume is low on this one. Oh, come on, triple pop. Want those firecrackers to burst. All right, $4 line hit, almost our bet back. A loud night in here today at Gate City. If you guys see my last Zhao Firecracker Friday game, I hit the double up and doubled up my money, which was nice. I hit that minor and got some extra good balls that dropped. So definitely a fun game if you can hit something. There we go, minor, come on. All right. All right, we're at 154. All right, guys, sorry to interrupt the Zhao food game, but they just called me over for the Lucky Rail tournament. So I'm gonna see how I do. Wish me luck. All right, guys, I just finished in second place. 4th overall in that little slot tournament. So I'm back at the Zhao food, so let's continue. All right, I put my slip in card back in. I'm gonna go back 5-cent denom, 480. I got the same machine, no one sat down. First time I got called on something like that. Pretty fun. I was in first place for a little while, and then last minute, I guess someone took over. Finished second. Like I said, I'm 4th overall. So I think you get some free play at the end of the night. Come on, bonus. Now it's time to win on this Firecracker game. Let's go. Oh. Take that minor on the double up. We've seen that before. Pays beautifully. All right, got a line hit. $4. All right, come on, bonus. Oh, the animations are building up pretty good. Well, we know that don't matter. Let's go to 1 cent. Max bet on the 1 cent. Just 440. Volume is up. It's a quiet machine. Play it down to 50. I'm gonna go to a different machine because I like to hear it. Especially if this game ain't giving me anything. That would be decent. All right, I'm gonna go to a different machine. All right, found another machine. I put the 52.59 plus another $100 bill in there. I'm gonna do some 2 cents. We're gonna do some 528 bets. Swing for the fences a little bit. Is this another quiet machine? Volume's down. There it is. All right, now let's get it. Let's get that bonus. Come on. Double pop. Is this one quiet too? Are all these machines quiet? And I got Metallica playing above me. It's not good. I'm not trying to get copyright. And YouTube won't push my video. Line hit. $6. It's definitely another quiet one. Hopefully the machine wakes up though. We can get loud. Let's go. Come on, Bazoo. Let's go. Getting some small line hits. We're not here for the line hits, as you know. We're here for that bonus. We'll take ultra, double, or extra spins. We'll take a double pop, a triple pop. Let's go right here. Come on, let's do it. Look at all that chances I had. And nothing. Alright, let's go. So this is the 2 cents. Let's go 1 cent. Max bet 440. Thought I was gonna go off. They got that ultra spins glowing. Look at it up there, just glowing. Just wants to keep me here. Like, look, I'm about to go off. Are you really? Do some 352. Keep the machine awake. Oh, look at all that. No line it. Come on, bonus. Let's go. Oh, did I get the ultra spins? I think I got the ultra spins, even though I can't hear it, damn thing. All right, I got the ultra spins on a 440 bet on the penny denom. I was down to $34, as you see. So let's go ultra spins. Press play to start feature. All right, so we start off with 3 spins. Every time one drops, it resets, as you know. And then that bird flies by and increases them. All right, $10 and $7.50. Come on, keep it alive. Bird fly by, let's get it. There we go, reset it. Oh, there we go, flew by again. That's right, increase that. Now it's at $15. There you go, fly by, hook it up. Hook that 15 up again. Yeah, build that one up. There we go. These are the 2 big ones we want to keep building up. Nice, reset it. Oh, it's gonna fly by. Nice, there you go, fly by, hook it up, hook it up. There you go. Nice. Added 10 onto that one. This one's at 25 now. Nice. All right, 1 spin remaining. Keep it alive. Got 8 positions filled. Nice. Now we got 9 positions filled and reset it, and the bird's gonna fly by again. There we go. Nice. Check that one up. That one's at 20 now. This one's at 750. Fly by and hit that one. Let's go. Keep it alive. There we go. Come on, hit this one up. Nice, it did. That one's at $32 now. This one next. Nice. Hook it up. That's right. Keep increasing them. Let's go. There we go. All right. We have 10 positions filled. 3 spins remaining. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe to Smack Slots. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. I'll be there shortly. I appreciate every single one of y'all. Let's go. Let's keep this bonus going. All right, just did that one. Nice. Oh, here we go. Come on, hit the big ones up. Hit the big ones up. We got 3 big ones right there. That's what we want. Come on, big ones. Nice. Nice, an extra 50. Look at that, guys. 82.50 on that one right there. That's what we wanted. All right, let's keep this thing rocking and rolling. Let's go, Ultra Spins. Baozu Zhao Fu, let's go. Firecracker Friday. Hope you guys are enjoying it, because I'm having fun making it for you. Oh, all right. It's gonna bless us one last time before it's over. All right, what's it add up to? Come on, we need that extra money. Let's go. All right, $212 on that bonus. Got some of that money back. We definitely needed it. We were getting low and getting desperate. Just what the doctor ordered on Baozu Zhao Fu. The bonus boost. All right. There's our ticket, 247. We're gonna zoom in. All right, I'm gonna do a backup on this one here. And I think I'm going to go back to the 5 cents. 480 bets. Oh, nice. There you go. We got this guy with the wilds. Nice $25 hit. Finally a good line hit on this game. There he goes again. Another nice line hit. $27. We're at 281. Can't complain about nice line hits. I'm gonna try a 720 bet. Give it to us on that. That would be beautiful.
All right, we are looking for 8 o'clock winners. We
All right.
are looking for Anthony.
I got called last time when I turned the mic off. I'm gonna turn it off again, see if I get called. All right, I didn't get called. Let's go to the 2 cents. And we're gonna do some 528 again. All right, 754 bet, or win, I should say. Come on, bonus. I just gotta check the volume on these. Even though this machine is quiet and still can't hear it. Come on, bonus. We saw the ultra spins. Last week we hit the double up. Let's get the extra spins. Oh, let's double or triple pop. Do something. $0.10 is the highest you can go on this, and it's 480, so I'll do a couple on that. Give me that $100 mini on the double up, so then 200. All right, 1 cent, and volume good? Nope, of course. Saw that last time. You gotta keep changing the volume every time you change the denom. Oh, max bet the 440 again. I'll take a duplicate of that minor on the double up again. Line hit. Oh, look at that line hit. $90 line hit, guys. That's awesome. Woo. Got him right there, him right there. That is beautiful. We're at 271. Really keeping us alive with those big line hits. Oh, let's hit that. Oh, that would have been awesome. 150 2 times, 300 right there. All right, I think either way, I'm gonna play down to 200 on this 440 bet right here. Hopefully I can hit something before then. Wish me luck, guys. We'll take one more bonus. And we'll take another good line hit. 14 bucks. Playing some jams in tonight. Trying to get that extra money tonight. Come on, all those chances. Set it off right here. Do you get ultra spins? Oh, I just brought it all the way up. I thought we got it. Did we get it? We did get it. All right. It just took a while. Don't tease me like that, ultra spins. Here we go, guys. That's what I'm talking about. Let's make this one another good one. We're on the penny D now, so we have 20 and 10 right there. So we're already at 30. Oh, we got the mini for 50 bucks. All right, hook that. Hook it up. Hook it up. All right, let's go bonus. Keep it alive. Nice. Come on. Nice. Hit the highest one. We want this one to go off the 2250. Increase that one, please. Increase this one. All right, we're down to one spin remaining. Come on, don't be over. Let's go, bonus. Do it. Nice. Saved it. Oh, we got the minor, guys. Minor's $100. That's what I'm talking about. What a beautiful bonus so far. Keep this thing alive. Hit this one up. All right, brought that one to 10. Hey, we're not going to be greedy. We got that mini for 50, minor for 100. Come on. Yes. $5 on that one. There we go. Let's go. All right, increase them just in case we don't get anything there. Nice $10 on that. Oh, I didn't know it could add it onto the words. Did you guys know that? Comment below. Let me know. Mini plus 5. That's cool. I didn't know it could do that. All right, we do see one on here, nothing on there. So we're probably not going to get anything here. But we have a chance on that one. Come on. No. All right. Not bad. We'll take it. Yep, increase that. Got the minor plus 5. What's this going to add up to, guys? What do you think? 200? Let's get that extra money. Yep, over 200. All right, 265. That was a nice bonus. That's why I like this game. Baozu Zhao Fu. Sasa Slots, if you're watching, thank you for putting me onto this game. I never really played this game before. She was like, yeah, you got to play this. So if you see my previous videos, I gave her a shout out and I thanked her. 266 for a total bonus. What's that gonna put our ticket at? $4.99, one away from 500. So it's only right that I do a backup. All right, nothing there. $4.96, so I'm gonna pull that ticket, guys. All right, another fun session on Baozu Zhao Fu. I hope you're enjoying the Firecracker Friday. We put in $350 total and pulling almost 500, so almost $150 profit. We'll take it and run. So make sure you guys subscribe to Smack Slots. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Come on, you guys can do it. I appreciate every single one of y'all. Like the video, and I will see you at the next one. Thanks for watching. See ya.